This powerful habit can make you lose a lot of weight in a healthy and fast way, increase your mood, and detoxify your body. So stay to the end of this video and I will reveal all the details and how to get the most out of this ancient practice. Hello, my name is Arya, and I'm very happy to have you with me in this video. Today you will discover everything you need to do to lose weight fast and without leaving home, just by following the practice of fasting. Subscribe to the channel and leave your like on the video to receive all the new content that will be posted. If I were you, I would stay until the end of this video, because in addition to the secret tips, I will provide an exclusive and free gift, which can accelerate your weight loss naturally. Losing weight is a common goal for many people who want to improve their health and physical appearance. Fasting is a practice that has received increasing attention as a strategy to achieve rapid weight loss. In this video, you will see important tips to start practicing and see results as soon as possible. Understand fasting. Fasting is a practice in which you abstain from consuming food or drastically reduce your caloric intake for a specific period. There are different methods of fasting, such as intermittent fasting, 24-hour fasting, and extended fasting. Before starting any type of fasting, it is crucial to understand how it works and its possible effects on the body. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting involves alternating between periods of eating and periods of fasting. There are several ways to implement intermittent fastings, such as the August 16th protocol, which is 16 hours of daily fasting with an 8-hour feeding window, or the 5 halves protocol, which is 5 days of normal eating and 2 days of severe caloric restriction. Intermittent fasting can help reduce overall caloric intake, promoting weight loss. Healthy eating. During periods of eating on intermittent fasting, it is essential to make healthy food choices. Prioritize whole, nutrient-rich, low-fat foods. Opt for lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats such as avocados and nuts. Avoid processed foods, high in sugar and saturated fats, which can hinder your weight loss efforts. Adequate hydration. During fasting, it is critical to stay adequately hydrated. Drink water regularly throughout the day to aid in digestion, maintain energy, and prevent dehydration. In addition, water can help reduce feelings of hunger and control food cravings. Unsweetened coffee and teas are also acceptable during the fasting period. Exercise. Combine fasting with an adequate exercise program. Regular exercise can improve weight loss by increasing metabolism and calorie burning. However, it is important to adapt the type and intensity of exercise to your energy level during the fast. Consulting with a healthcare professional or personal trainer can help create a safe and effective exercise program. Medical follow-up. Before starting any fasting or weight loss program, it is crucial to seek medical advice. Each person is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. A health professional can assess your overall health, medical history, and individual needs. For staying until the end of the video, you will receive a special gift. Just click on the link below this video to get your free bonus and discover a natural way to clear your weight loss process at home. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it has helped you in some way in your weight loss process. See you soon.